Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own save system where you can save your values which you get in games and then load that value back in. So let's get started. So you're going to want to make a save and load buttons, and then you're going to want who have your two values or more less, so you can have one to as many values as you want. And then you want to make a variable named save code for all sprites. Now you want to make a block and name it write data value, add a label. Then you want to make it say max length, then add input and name it max length. Okay, now you want to get one green flag, click forever, set size to minus divide to make this 350. Then you get size and divide by 2. Then you want to get an if, bring the set size out of the if, then also still have, then duplicate it, and then do this, then in the if, make an if touching mouse pointer, so then you have smooth animations. Then you want to get in another if, then make it mouse down, then wait until not mouse down, okay, so now you'll want to, so if you have one value, you need one block, two values, you need 2 blocks. So you want to write down the values you want to have in. So you want the amount of blocks of the amount of values you want to write down, put into max length, which will determine how long it can get. Then you want to make a list named save code. It does make it named save code for all sprites. Then at the top, want to delete all of it and hide it. Okay. Then also, before you start writing values, was set save code to blank. So then once you've written out all the values, you want to add save code to the save code list, and then add copy your save code. Okay, so then you want to show save code, grab a wait to make it as long or short as you want. I'll do 6 seconds, then it'll hide itself and delete the previous save code. Okay, so now to actually make everything work, you gotta have values. So for now, I'll do some random values from 1 to 99, 999, okay, just like this. So then when you start it, you want to, so now for the right value, you data, you want to grab an if less than, so then if length of value is less than max length, you want to do a repeat max length minus length of value, Then you want to set save code to join save code and 0. Okay? Then you want to duplicate the set save code to join save code 0. You want to put it out of the repeat, okay? But still in the if it's true. And then put in value. Then else want to duplicate the set save code to join save code value and put the duplicate into the else. Boom. You have already made the first part of the save code system. So now that you have the save button made, you're gonna have to make the load. So you want to grab one green flag clicked. You can add, you want to get one a forever if, put in the set size to. Then you want to duplicate, put it into the if then, make it 300. Then you want to turn the if then into an if touching mouse pointer then. Then get another if, mouse down, wait until not mouse down. And then you want to ask what your save code. Then you want to set save code to answer. Then you want to set all the values you will be changing. So for example, for me, test and test2 will become blank and blank. Want to make a new variable named anchor for this sprite only. Then you want to set it to 0. Then you want to get a repeat. Now go to save. And so then you want, so since test is the first data value written down, it's max like this 4. Repeat 4 times. Change anchor by 1. And then you set test to join test letter anchor of save code. Then for the, so then if you have another value, then you go back. So then the second value you written down, you will then change the test to the next value you'll want to import to that variable. And then the max length is 7, so then I'll change the repeat for the new one and put 7. Now just like that, you have made a functional load and save system. So let me show you how this works. So say I hit save, I get a save code, I copy it, okay, so I'm going to go into a new one, I get 2 different stats. So I go into load, paste in my save code, then boom, that exact data is now saved. It's back. So that is how you make a functional save system in Scratch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you thought it was helpful and subscribe for more tips, and see